What's up guys, it's Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today's video is gonna be a holiday gift guide. We're gonna start at $1 and we're going all the way up to $1,000. Starting at $1, we don't have a lot of choices, but what I found at my local store are cable ties. They were 75 cents. I found them at Office Depot, I think. If you only have $1, you're obviously limited, but cable ties is definitely a great choice to keep your stuff organized. But if you're big balling, you can dig deep into that pocket and you can 5X your previous budget. You're now up to $5. And for $5, I think a high-end microfiber cloth is a great choice. That's one of those things that you don't want to spend money on, but if someone else buys it for you, then you're like, okay, I can live with that. Moving up to $10, we can get a couple of things that are pretty good. Number one, we can get a USB wall charger. Now this one right here on Amazon, this is 40 watts, so it's a fast charger. And we also have 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, so if they have older devices, they can still charge it. They also do come in different colors, but that can make the price over $10. We can also do a phone stand. This is one that I found for $9. It's an adjustable phone stand, so you can put all sorts of phones in there, different types of phones. And then the cool part is, you can actually put it in your pocket. It folds all the way down. So for that person that is always addicted to their phone and they're always on their phone, having a phone stand is actually very helpful to have it right next to their bed or have it right next to their computer when they're working. And then finally, we have a magnetic ring holder for people who use MagSafe accessories. So the new iPhones have a magnet built into the back of the phone or built into the back of the case. And so when you use that, you can then put this magnetic ring on the wall or put it in the shower or somewhere else. And then you can have your phone, pretty much floating on the wall or floating wherever you put that. For $25, I really love these mini portable chargers. Now, what I like about them, number one, it's a 2-pack, so you can't go wrong with something for 2-pack. They come in different colors, so you can pick whatever color you want. I have a green one and I have a purple one. And what's really cool about them is that you just stick them on the bottom of your phone like this, and then you have instant battery life right here. So if you're gonna have a long day, just put it at the bottom of your phone to start the day off and you're gonna extend your battery life. 5,000 milliamps, so you have enough juice to power up pretty much every single phone from 0 to 100. I think these are great pickups, and this is a 2-pack for only $25. But let's say you need even more juice, then this one right here is 10,000 milliamp. So it's double the size of these small ones, but it's still pretty small to slip into your pocket. For $50, there's a variety of categories you can go into. You can do a streaming stick, you can do Bluetooth earbuds, you can even do a smart scale. I think a streaming stick like a Fire Stick is a great choice, but so many TVs now come with apps built in, so the need for a Fire Stick is sort of going away. So for $50, these Sony earbuds, the WF-C510, are a great choice. Number one, they're made by Sony, and Sony makes some of the best sound stuff in general. You get 22 hours of battery life, which some at this price point can get you more battery life, but these sound absolutely great for the price. You also have additional tips too. So you have small, medium, and large tips, and then you have this great case right here. Now this case does not recharge the earbuds at all. So you do have to plug this case in to actually charge the earbuds, but overall, these are great sounding earbuds for $50. Or if you know someone is on a health journey, having a scale is very important. And this scale from GE is a body weight and fat percentage scale with an LCD. So this one right here will actually give you your weight, give you your fat body percentage, and then it'll also synchronize to your phone. So that makes it a whole lot easier for you to track your weight loss or weight gain. Let's take a quick break to talk about today's video sponsor. This is the N1S Ultra projector. This portable projector packs a huge punch. First of all, it has a great design. It's sleek, it's modern, and the stand allows you to tilt the projector and also spin it to get the perfect angle. And if you can't get the perfect angle, don't worry about it. It will automatically adjust to get you the perfect image with auto keystone. If you care about tech specs, this projector is loaded, has 4K, HDR10 with 3000 lumens. And all this means is that it gets super bright, super crisp, and it can go as big as 180 inches. Google TV built in, so you have access to all the apps like YouTube and Netflix. This has built-in Dolby speakers that sound shockingly good. So this little box can do everything. If you want an amazing projector, look no further than the N1S Ultra. It's on sale for Black Friday, so make sure you check out my link down below. Now let's get back to some of these prices. Absolutely huge, and during the holiday season, people really go in on gaming. This SteelSeries headset is the Arctis Nova 3. It works for PC, PS5, Xbox, Switch, and mobile. And this headset is fantastic. It's on sale right now for $65. It is the #1 selling headset on Amazon right now. Even if this thing was $100, it'd still be an excellent headset. And it is marked down to $66, but it is typically a $99 headset. But this headset is absolutely fantastic. So for $150, you can get into some pretty good sound. You have a sound bar, you have premium headphones, and a couple other things too. If you know a person with a TV and don't have a sound bar, you should definitely get them a sound bar. And this is a sound bar and sub combo from LG that will get them much better sound than they're experiencing today. This setup has 400 watts, it has Dolby Atmos, and so you have a 2.1 channel, so you have a standard sound bar and then you have a subwoofer. It's a pretty basic setup, but for this price, it's a lot better than the speakers on the TV. And I think for $150, this is a great choice for those people that need better sound on their TV. Now, in that same price bracket, if you want headphones that are around that price, you do have some options. The Skullcandy Crusher Evo over-the-ear headphones has a lot of bass. So if that person loves bass, then this right here is gonna be good for them. 40 hours of battery life, has a built-in microphone. It works with Android and also iPhone. It looks like it's on sale right now. I'm not sure if this price will be here when you look at it, but it's only $100 right now. Typically it's like around $140. AirPods 4 sound really great. They have noise cancellation. They have a great microphone. They are really good. They also do not seal the ear. And a lot of people don't like the feeling of it sealing and sticking into your ear. They sort of sit on your ear. That's a great choice too. A lot of people who have iPhones are gonna wanna go with AirPods for the connectivity. And for $120, I think these are great choices as well. And it keeps you under that $150 budget. Okay, so for $250, if we're still shopping for that gamer and they wanna take gaming a little bit more seriously, then this controller, the Scruff Instinct Pro Performance controller, is going to be the choice for them. They are like high-end performance controllers. These controllers do work with Xbox and PC and mobile. They don't work for PS5. There is a PS5 version. If you're interested in that, I will link that below as well. But these controllers provide extra buttons, extra sticks. You can replace things. It's a whole community. These controllers are definitely on the expensive side. Looks like they're $230 right now. But if you are someone who takes gaming seriously or want to take gaming seriously, Scruff controllers is where to go. But for the non-gamer out there, we do have smartwatches. We can get the Galaxy Watch 7, and we also can get the Apple Watch SE as choices too. Apple Watch SE is a few years old, but this is the cheapest way to get into the Apple Watch ecosystem. It's a very solid watch and it has most of the features for people who want a smartwatch. Galaxy Watch 7, if you're on Android, this is probably your best choice for a smartwatch. You don't have to have Samsung to use a watch if you're on Android. And for $200, we also have the DJI Neo drone. And this is a mini drone made by the best drone manufacturer out there.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So here we go. And then as I move, it moves and follows me around. And then to land it, you just stick your hand out. Super cool, super fun, and pretty affordable. If you have $300, then these Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, I'm not even sure if I can call them smart glasses. These Ray-Ban Meta glasses are a great choice. I made a full video about it, so you can click on the link to check it out. But these are glasses that look like regular glasses. They actually come in sunglasses. I put my own lenses in them. It's really cool to have like spy glasses. The video quality, the picture quality is okay. It's not bad, but I found these glasses to be just amazing for capturing moments with my family. If I pulled my phone out, my son would want to get on a phone or play a game. I could just use these to capture stuff like bowling and other type of activities. Probably the only piece of tech that I wear every single day as far as wearables, and I really enjoy it. So for $500, we can get into some really decent TVs. This 55-inch QLED 4K TV from Samsung is the Q60D, is a great TV for the price. Samsung makes some of the best TVs as we know. It has great software built into it, and it's the 2024 model, so you have the newest stuff like the gaming hub, you have a slim design. It's made for high-end gaming, so if you plug in a PS5 or you plug in an Xbox, You have all those features that those systems can do. And it's just a great choice. Typically it's $800 TV, but Samsung does come on discount a lot. Now that the PS5 Pro is out, the PS5 regular should be coming down in price. So you can probably grab that for less than $500. And then with Xbox, they always have the Series X that goes on sale too. But for around $500, you can get a next gen console, which I think is pretty solid. Or if they're a person that loves to travel, then a good carry-on bag is absolutely priceless. And I'm not a carry-on bag expert, but this bag from Nomadic, this is the Method carry-on bag, is my personal travel bag that I have. If I'm doing a short 3 or 4 day trip, it has enough room to store all my stuff. The zippers are absolutely great. A lot of storage within the bag, and it also has a lifetime warranty too. I could throw a couple shoes in there, I could throw some things in there and zip it all up, and it's organized. When I open it up, everything doesn't fall out. So for $750, we are kind of up there, and now we are in the budget to get a cell phone. For $699, you can get an iPhone 15, but I do recommend going for the 760 version of the iPhone 15 that has more storage, or even a Pixel 8 at the same price. Even an S23 you can get. So pretty much any major phone that's out right now, last year's version of it, which is pretty much the same thing, you can get for that budget. Also, if you are shopping for a content creator, then it's hard to find a much more better and flexible camera than, as I pull it out here, the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Make sure you go with the Creator Combo. What I like about this, number one, is just nice camera. It's very small, it's pocketable. You have the screen that flips out. So you can do wide, which is landscape, or you can do portrait. Also, you can actually flip this camera around too, because this is a gimbal, so you can record and look at yourself. It has a microphone that you can use that you can hold or clip it onto your shirt. And then from there, you can get audio directly to it. It is a great product and something that I use for my professional shooting all the time. It does face tracking too. So when I move this gimbal around, it follows my face, and it really makes shooting extremely easy for novice users. Coming down the home stretch, we are going to extend the budget out to $1,500 or below. In this space, you can grab a current flagship phone, an Ultrabook, or even a nice high-end TV. If you're looking for a laptop for $1,000, then the Asus ZenBook 14 OLED is a great choice. Now, you can kit them out all the way up to $1,500, but the default one for $849 is very solid. For $849, you get 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and you also get an OLED screen. So it is a great laptop for all around usage. It's not really designed for gaming, so if you are a gamer, this would probably not be the best choice for you, but it has enough juice to game a little bit. But this would not be the main function. Now for the gamer at $1,500, I think they should pick up the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 9. It has a 4060 GPU, which you definitely want for gaming. It's not the prettiest laptop around, but for gamers, this laptop is the best choice for that price. But at this price, you're not gonna find a much better gaming laptop, and I think this is a great price for this type of hardware. Now, if you wanna go down the Apple route, then of course, a MacBook would be a good choice, and a MacBook Air with a M chip, whether it's M4, M2, M1 chip. For 90% of users, a MacBook Air would be great. Even for me as a content creator, when I travel, I bring the MacBook Air because it's much smaller and much more portable, and I'm editing my YouTube videos on it. So for 90% of people, it should be completely fine. They start at around $1,200 to $1,300, but if you can find one that's like a last year's version or a refurb for like $1,000, then you're gonna enjoy yourself, and these things last forever as well. So a MacBook is always a great choice. That is it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. A little bit different of a format, but I wanted to talk to you guys about gifts. People always say, what do I buy the person that has everything? What do I buy that tech lover out there? So we went from $1 all the way up to $2 grand, and hopefully you can find something in the middle that fits your budget. As always, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a wonderful day and take care.